How to fix Roblox Error Code 600. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search roblox.com and log into your account. After that, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen in here. After you've clicked on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, scroll down and click on Settings. After you're in the settings, on the left side, click on Privacy and Security. In here, simply scroll down and click on Security. After you click on Security, scroll down and turn on Use Secure DNS. After you turn on Use Secure DNS, you're good to go in here. Now what you can do is minimize the tab of Chrome and click on Windows R on your keyboard. It will open Run. In Run, simply type in %local app data % and press on OK or press on Enter on your keyboard, which will open this option. Here, scroll down and search for temp and click on temp. After you click on temp, you will find this kind of screen here. Scroll down and search for Roblox. Click on Roblox and press on the delete key on your keyboard. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix Roblox Error Code 600. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.